Hello, everybody. This is Francesco Rulli. I'm the CEO of Querlo. I am also the Ford's AI solution business partner. I'm here today with Rajesh Prayaga, who is the founder and managing director at Ybrant Partners. So, Rajesh, if you can give us a little bit more information about your work.
Thank you, Francesco, for having me today. I'm Rajesh Prayaga. I am having 20 plus years of IT experience. And in the last 20 plus years, I've been working on a number of SAP or other ERP solutions, working at some of the large enterprises like Caterpillar, GlaxoSmithKline, Jaguar Land Rover, and so on, which is where I rolled out some global ERP solutions for these companies. And in the last few years, I have worked on people-related solutions. And I'm here to talk to you today about our people solutions and related applications on using artificial intelligence.
Fantastic. Okay, so talking about artificial intelligence, what are your thoughts and your perspective about the role of artificial intelligence in your space?
Artificial intelligence is pretty much required. This allows us to think in different dimensions and aspects which we normally do not cover, or it requires a number of additional resources that will be that may be cost effective in some ways, but at the same time, the kind of intelligence that it can offer is fabulous. So in that sense, while people are trying to go ahead and understand what is the next best solution for me, next best goods or articles that I need, one thing what people forget about is if I can go ahead and provide a better employee experience, and that's where we come in. So what we help is through our employee experience related AI solutions, we try and understand what is best that the employee needs on a daily basis. Is it the Monday blues that it is impacting them? So what can I do? As a line manager, can I help them to build a better, make it a better day for them? Or can I go ahead and help them if they are stressed out? What is the moods and trends that is going on in the organization? So if there is a particular individual who is stressed out and not delivering, can I go ahead and look at that using artificial intelligence? Can I go ahead and assess what is the best individual versus what is the worst performing, and not penalizing them that they are performing worse, but trying to understand what it is and give them the necessary support. And these are built on various data points and then parameters that we go ahead and build into. And through that, we can help the employees and everyone performs well. Therefore, the organizations are successful and growing.
Fantastic. Based on your experience, do you have some parameters of how efficiency, productivity has been impacted by this type of intelligent automation?
Yeah, so let's take an example. I have a project that is being run by about 10 people, which is the most prestigious project for the CEO of the company. And in this, what the CEO believes that by pulling together a great set of people, like an A team, who can go ahead and deliver the best for him. So in that sense, if I'm able to go ahead and pull the right kind of people with the resilience where they will be able to manage them well, and if they are able to go ahead and look at the behaviors in the stressful situations or employee to employee relationships, and these again, when you are trying to put into the dynamic where anything needs to be delivered in a very short time and there are suppliers who are involved. So there are multiple angles that we consider when we are trying to look at it, how best we can go ahead and collaborate everyone together. And using these data points where we look at, is it the kind of technological delivery? Is it where we have the focus on user adoption, which is the change related? So what are the key aspects that will improve the work efficiencies, the process efficiencies, what we have? So we consider all of these parameters and then build that solution for the client and then say, yeah, this, if you do this A, B, and C, and you apply these parameters, you'll be able to look at the trends in the organization and therefore you will be successful.
Fantastic. So Rajesh, if people want to learn more about your company and your services, what's the best way to reach out and learn more?
Yeah. So one of the first things what I would like to say is that if you are looking for improving your solution adoptions, You may be spending millions and billions, but the point is that how good are your applications being adopted by your users? So if you are looking for such a thing, you can visit vibrantpartners.com. That is www.vibrant partners.com. And that is one place where you can go and visit our website, and you have it on our LinkedIn. Just type for Vibrant Partners in LinkedIn. You'll be able to see it. At Vibrant P is where you can find on Twitter. And then you can, of course, send me an email, rajesh.prayaga@vibrantpartners.com. I'm always there to respond to your email. And also you can call me at my mobile number, which I can go ahead and flash it to you.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.